Hey everybody, laying out this top and back here. We've got curly Porterford cedar and some pistachio, and a little bit about book matching. These pieces of wood, these two slices, are a rising match to each other, each one. So they're sliced from the same board. Then you open it up and you get as close as you can to symmetry. But the wood grain doesn't always travel through the board how you want it to, and so as you do the book match, you have a couple choices. Like this one, after it was jointed here in the middle, I had, this is how the board lays out naturally, okay? But if you look at that little center line, I was noticing, well, how would it be if I could get it to do this? So, see, I just moved it up that much, and it made what, for a more symmetrical look. Maybe that's not what you want, maybe it is. But if you take it back to how it naturally went through the board, that's the original. Now if I take my template and double check, if I were to do this, I could still get the full tenor top on this uke. So I like this way. I think I'm going to keep it. So for this one, the pistachio board, as it was naturally sawn, that's how it looks. And so my instinct was, well, let's just try it. Can we do that? You know? But then if I take my template and check, that would make a back that's a little too short. So we can't go as far as we want. So maybe I'll split the difference about that much. And yeah, just a little way to cheat the book match. Sometimes it looks better, sometimes it's not as good.